question. For some integer q, every odd integer is of the form option A q, option B q plus 1, option C 2q, and option D 2q plus 1. Answer. We are given some integer q. We have to find the form from given options that has only odd integers. Now q is some integer, which means q is and so on -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now let us write the given options. Option A is q, which is and so on -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, same as the given integer q. Now option B is q plus 1, which we can get by adding 1 to the q. Q plus 1 is and so on -3 plus 1, comma, -2 plus 1, comma, -1 plus 1, comma, 0 plus 1, comma, 1 plus 1, then 2 plus 1, then 3 plus 1, and so on. Now q plus 1 becomes and so on -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Let us see option C. Option C is 2q. We can get this by multiplying 2 to each number in q. Therefore 2q is and so on -3 times 2, -2 times 2, -1 times 2, 0 times 2, 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, and so on. Therefore 2q is and so on -6, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. Now let us check the option D, which is 2q plus 1. We can get this by multiplying q with 2 and then adding 1. 2q plus 1 is and so on 2 times -3 plus 1, comma, 2 times -2 plus 1, 2 times -1 plus 1, 2 times 0 plus 1, 2 times 1 plus 1, 2 times 2 plus 1, 2 times 3 plus 1, and so on, which is 2q plus 1 is equal to and so on -5, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Now let us analyze the options and try to find the correct option that contains only odd integers. First option q contains both even and odd integers. Not correct answer. The second option q plus 1 also contains both even and odd integers. Not correct answer. The third option 2q contains only even integers. This is also not a correct answer. Then the fourth option 2q plus 1 contains only odd integers. Therefore fourth option is the correct answer. For some integer q, every odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1.